Welcome friends, what we're gonna do today is we will make a reinforcement for foundations, especially for isolate footing. First of all, I still beginner at Revit, so I may have some mistakes, so you can forgive me for that. There's too much so in this sense. Let's start with opening the program. We're gonna go to File, Open, New Project, and we'll choose our template. In this case, we will choose Structure Template. So after that, what we need is to draw column on foundations. So we start by make sections, section on X direction and section in Y direction. How can we do that? We will go on view and we will choose sections. To draw section, you just select first point and drag and select second point. After that, if you want to get out further, you have to select modify or you have to select escape twice. Now we need to draw column, so it's very easy. Go to structure and choose column, and you have to choose dimensions of column. After you choose dimensions of column, you have to put it in place that you need. Before put column in place, you have to choose height and choose level 2. Why we do that? Because column begins from level 1 to level 2. So you will see it in level 1 and level 2, both levels. After that, put column on intersections. Now we have to draw isolate footing. So we do same thing we did in column. We select isolate footing in structure and we choose dimensions and select the place that we want to put it in. So now we have column and foundation. We want to see it in 3D model. So press 3D model and you will see what you just draw. So this is our picture level 1 and we just saw our picture in 3D model. Now let's start the next step, and this step we will make reinforcement. Before reinforcement, you just choose cover for column. So go to reinforcement and choose cover and choose what cover you want. I want to cover a column 25 millimeter. You can choose that from menu or from properties. Go on properties and choose cover that you want. After you choose cover, you just select to the column that you want to make cover on it. Now we are ready to draw reinforcement, so we have to draw stirrups in column. So we select structure and select reinforcement and select repair. Click OK and choose shape of reinforcement that you want. We wanna choose stirrup shape, and this will be 51 or 52. So when we get it, we will put it in column. I think it's that. So we put it in column and we just check and put it in column. So we just draw stirrups, one stirrups in column. Let's see in 3 model. It's just one. What we need is to repeat it. How can we do that? If you want to repeat stirrups, what we're gonna do, just select stirrups that you want to repeat and choose multiply and write spacing between stirrups, and I'll write 200 millimeter. So let's see it in 3D model. So this is our picture. Between stirrups there's 200 millimeter. So that was our lesson. We will complete what we start in the next lesson, and we will determine the diameter of reinforcement, and we will do that in better way. See you friends in the next lesson.